about a couple of the trades. I've been taking all matrix reads on this challenge. Now, the two shorts I took Friday that really accelerated my account from 100 from I was between 75,000 and 100,000 when I took these trades. Um, got the primary read pre-market. So we had primary read, VWAP cross, and then the proprietary matrix momentum motor saying we're heading down. I entered this with my standard risk of so when I enter oil lately, I've been doing 1-to-1 risk reward ratio with $1 stop loss, right? That might be too much for you, but $1 stop loss on one contract, that's like $1,000 for reference, guys, on one mini contract. And then a $1,000 reward. But what I've chosen to do in this challenge, especially when I'm hitting key levels and then the overall market environment where I'm really trying to let my winners run, I put my dollar stop loss in and I stretched my take profit in case I walked away from it. I think I had it at $87. Well, in the day it dropped to 89. So hindsight being 2020, I was close, but what I did is I got kicked out on my trail. In case it explosively dropped, I would catch 87. And then I mainly wanted to function with the trail, but I had a TP in there. And I just kept trailing. You can just see how the momentum, and then if we shift out to the 15 minute, the 30 minute, and 1 hour, the proprietary motor system says we are failing, we are failing, we are failing. And then it did. I ultimately got kicked out on this. It dropped. Um, Unfortunately, I was at a funeral for and with family during all this time, so I left. I adjusted my stop loss once I was $1 in the money, and I've told my guys this personally. Once I was $1 in the money, if I'm trying to swing it, I go break even, and then I was $1 in the money until I could get back, or I was at break even until later than a day, and we were done with family. And then I smashed my trail down just below or just above these wicks to see if 91 would break. It didn't at first, but by the time I moved my trail, it did after. And then here's your break of 91, your retest, and then your collapse.